Have you ever wondered about the various forces that influence your mind, how you think, how you behave, how you see yourself, and how you see others? Have you ever wondered about how your perceptions of the world around you were formed and why they were formed the way they were formed? If you haven't, maybe you will.
White boy, where you at?
Conditioned to greed, power and division, false societal norms, and acceptance is given. Trained to be accepted according to the demands of the machine. But what if the machine demands all the wrong things? Taught to divide and separate us from each other. Division of people, a tool employed by Big Brother. Stimulus applied, response to division evoked. Separation through class, race, religion invoked. Divided at birth, categorized and classified. Institutions of separation employed can dehumanize. Separated by color, class and ethnicity. Division employed can encroach on our liberties. Mindsmiths mold masses, mass manipulation. People pursue purchases, Pavlovian population. Trained to consume, rewarded with insecurity. Capitalizing off a system that breeds inequality. Realities manufactured through psychological weaponry. Lies sold to the masses through this covert treachery. Advertisers pulling strings with invisible weapons. Depictions of success all through a picture of a felon. Gun-toting gangsters, a Pavlovian dilemma. Manchurian mobsters created to serve an agenda. Joseph Goebbels Incorporated grasped the minds of the masses. They even filter information taught inside classes. Sit down, stand up, as if by remote. Blinded the drivers in pursuit of a banknote. Assault on the subconscious, true drive behavior. Blind purchases are made with a piece of green paper. Petri dish populations without consent. In the name of science, they feel correct. Autonomy in question, drones of consumption. Decisions without thinking, in mass production. Taught what is hot, taught what is not. Formulation of opinions without any thought. Consume and repeat, the cycle continues. Resources deplete, Mother Earth's on the menu. Marketing used to emphasize the external, while true wealth resides within the internal. Happiness sold in the form of an object. Materialistic ideals used as a venom to infect your soul and your mind. Consumptive behavior, materials define you and a piece of green paper. A product of this society, materialism. Everyone in pursuit, no wonder the schism. Depictions of beauty, sold as superficial. Dysmorphic impressions of attractive or artificial. Seeds of impressions implanted in secrecy. Relying on a cover to see what's wrong in society. Your mind a battleground for psychological assaults. A stone misshaped and misformed. Who is at fault? Commercial systemic, given IV. Circulating to the masses who are too blind to see. Marketing's hammer at work, material populations. Advertisers play masters of the Pavlovian nation. Information passed out by the hands of the few. Circulating through the masses, creating a societal view. Conditioned to rely on mainstream information. Perceptions manufactured by what's in circulation. Manipulated truths drive cultural perceptions. Innocent people turn villain by this media weapon. Controlled information on the assembly line. Weapons of communication used for an attack on the mind. Murdoch and friends control what's in circulation, causing mass menticide on a susceptible population. Conditioned division, conditioned behaviors. Social hierarchies based upon a piece of green paper. Divided we stand, together we fall. When we support a system of division that divides us all.
WhiteBoyBeats.com